Good evening, Demon families. John Hurl, proud principal of Durango High School, coming to you with the principal message for the week. Have a couple of important announcements for everybody and just want to communicate some information to you. First and foremost, please know that we are currently working on a locker cleanout process for all of our families, 9th and 10th and 11th and 12th graders, and we should have that information to you and our system to you hopefully by the end of the week, no later than early next week. During that locker cleanout process, we're going to have a surprise for some of our seniors. We've been given some generous gifts from some community members and are excited to share those with you. I think that you're going to like those. Unfortunately, this message right now is to let you know that our graduation on May 22nd is not going to happen. We are working closely with San Juan Basin Health and looking at our options moving into the summertime to determine if we can have either small group graduation ceremonies or if we can potentially have the entire class together if we were to look at pushing back into July or August. You're going to be receiving some updated information from Mr. Aspen, your senior advisor, so please make sure you take a look for a survey that will be included in that communication from Mr. Aspen in regards to which one of those two methods you might prefer as a senior family. Unfortunately, that's the position that we're in, but I am still committed to you to make sure that we do everything that we possibly can to celebrate our amazing class of 2020. We'll also have some more specific information for our seniors. I'll have that message for you guys tomorrow, so be looking for that link as well that will have just specific senior information. The last piece that we're taking a look at right now is creating what our finals are going to look like to wrap up the semester. I know our seniors only have about 2.5 weeks left. Everybody else has about 4.5. So we are putting our plans in place to see what finals will look like, and we will communicate that with you hopefully by the end of this week as well. So a lot of information to come. Just wanted to get everybody up to speed with where we're at. I hope you're doing well. It's beautiful weather outside, a great opportunity to get outside and enjoy some sunshine. And I hope everybody's taking care of themselves and having a great week. Take care, Demons. Talk to you soon.